Today's topic is how to resize videos in few seconds for social media post. Let's go to video. Step 1. Create your login ID. Go to adobe.com to create your login ID. You can log in with Apple, Google, Facebook or on your own user ID. Step 2. Upload your video for resize. Once logged in with adobe.com, then go to video resize page. Browse the modifying video from your own device. Once video uploaded from your own device, then select the resize options for your social media post. Apply all the required changes as shown in the video to improve the viewing quality of your video. Once all the options chosen, then click download. Now you can use downloaded video for your social media posts like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Twitter, LinkedIn and Pinterest etc. You can put comment in the comments section for any suggestions and ideas for my next videos. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching InfoBrainers.